The survey sites that pay the most are the ones that I don't really like to call survey sites. I like to call them market research sites and focus group sites. For example, this website I'm looking at right now is focusgroup.com. As it says here, you participate in a paid focus group, test new products, taste new snacks and beverages, watch new TV shows, take online surveys, and more. So instead of just taking a survey, for example, you could do an interview over the phone where you would answer questions over the phone and you could get paid something like $35 just for that. Now, here's another market research site, surveysquad.com. It says here, every day Survey Squad pays people just like you to participate in online and mobile surveys, phone interviews, and in-person focus group. And you could actually scroll down here and see what their latest tweets are. They tweet their latest studies and focus groups that they're looking for people to join. So, for example, this one here, they have interviews or focus groups that pay up to $150 of your time. Another one, if you love to cook and you're Atlanta, you could join this one. It's $100. And they're offering that in several different places. Here's another tweet where you could earn a $50 Amazon gift card for 30 minutes of your time. And for this one, you would do a virtual in-store shop along. And these are actually quite fun. Okay, let's just keep going down below. And here it's offering $325 if you are a female and you'd like to talk about health and wellness and you're willing to answer some questions about those topics. To find more of these market research type websites, you could also go to Craigslist and just do a search for these keywords, market research or surveys. And you may be able to find legitimate companies who are willing to pay a lot of money for your time. So if this is something that interests you, go ahead and take a look into it. Look into these market research type websites and also do some searching on Google or Craigslist. I do know of people who are making a part-time income with these types of surveys and market research websites.